one doesn't get to the door.
That was a Voyager. Where's the steam engine?
And B7115 YY14 WFF on the 99 service, so that's Wall Street. The legend has I see she's a legend because she's trying her bay. Oh, crossover 47101 WAO40XS with two legend drivers as well. 47093 WAO40XH. I believe you've welcome you back to the channel yet, guys. That's how much chaos has already happened. So most I'll just do it this way. Welcome back to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And well, I hope you enjoyed the video really. And in this video, as you can tell already, we're doing a bit of spotting around exmouth. Yeah. By the way, you're probably wondering, oh, why is 47101 here? Well, if I tell you right now, 47103 has gotten replaced by 47101. Also 47103 failed yesterday. Yes, again. And got replaced by 47101. So why did they even bother to try and get her up and running if she's just going to fail anyway? Oh well. Anyway, 47101 came replaced her yesterday and carried her on. Also 47959 got replaced by 48011. Again. Why can't YJ15 ABU 48011 just go somewhere else? And why can't we just have another bus? Why can't we just have another bus? I'm seriously getting a bit bored of 48011. And if you agree with me, then obviously put in the comments saying agreed. Because obviously, I know some of you will agree that 48011 is just basically trying to stalk us. I thought she did give us a break, so... And plus, she is a good bus anyway. She used to sound like a rocket a long time ago, if you remember. If you look through the channel for 48011, you'll hear just how bad she used to sound like before. Anyway, we won't be seeing her because you're 97. I'll try and find a spot where I can see her. However, it might be impossible. I'll try to see her for you. So I'll just stay here, it's easier. And as you can see over there, just about to pass is 19657 WA60FHO on the 95 service to Sandy Bay. I see front end of them. On 19657 WA60FHO on service 95 to Sandy Bay. I see front end of them. Right, that's just one thing, sorry about that. Just walking up to her now, it's just then we can try and get a better shot. She's parked in the same spot where 19658 actually worked down quite a while back now. I think that was actually the day they both failed. Are you stupid? The bus is indicating right, it means it's departing. Do not try and overtake a bus that's got its right indicator on. For goodness sake. Some people just don't guess it, do they? 37115 5014 WFF. On the 99 service to Whittington, via Badham Court. 48011 YJ15 ABU. Just over there on Route 97. 37033 YX63 LHP on the 99 to Brixington. 37115 YY14 WFF 99 service to Exmouth Wolseley. If you came down here, little one. I'm not sure what to do. I have to pick it up. I have an idea. 36229 here. WA6HLY. Nope. 4523624 WA11BXZ. Left indicators on. Oh my! This is me always seen all the baby birds today. And now about to pass 47093 WA04 TXH on the 1990 service to Pines Road via Exmouth Parade and Dean and Ray. Doesn't see. Well, as you probably know, if you've looked at the channel, you'll probably know it's the bus I rode earlier if you look at the channel. Also, the thumbnail for that video isn't the bus I rode, it's just random. It's just a reachable solo that I found in my photo library, so that's why I chose it. Also, it's one of my best shots of a reachable solo. It was a rather nice one. So yeah, just that thumbnail isn't actually a bus I rode or a shot from today actually. It's from quite a while back in the bus yard. Oh whoa, 1988, you really got attacked. You managed to somehow sneak after me, even though you're flashy. I really need to go on top of plane spotting. I've just noticed how it's been mainly buses and trains for YouTube shorts in the past few months. Also mainly buses for this, for some reason. I need to go on top of that and make more plane videos. Also, most of my videos recently haven't really been about planes. I haven't had a plane in them for weeks. I know I better step back just in case. It's alright. 36227 W6HLW. Right, for example, this. I need to upload more of this for YouTube Shorts, don't I? Otherwise it becomes more boring unless I upload different content all the time rather than like reason 1.5 multiple times, etc. Let's chat about something over there. Bus drivers. Huh? Oh. And since when did you sneak down 36229? I'm out. We've got 36229, 36227, 48011. We've got all three, we've got them three here now. The Ultra Solo SRs are definitely smaller. I think, well, it looks like they seem to be trying, that's 3 buses. They could easily fit another 3 or 4 here. Maybe they've got an extra bus to park here tonight. Oh no, I've just realised something. Quite often a few buses arrive in at once now. 19008 is fairly close, so I'm going to see her and then I'll come back here and let you know if there's been anyone else that's arrived since I've been gone. I better keep recording just in case she appears. What the? That's definitely YouTube Shorts. 19008 appeared just as I said that. No way. Are you serious? I just missed 15901. I might not do bus yards, you know. I think the bus yards are just becoming a bit, yeah. Not much content is being done with how much the bus yard, is it? Whereas here, we get content, not more. If I stand here, I'll film buses down there, and I'll film buses arriving into the bus yard. Also, I won't have a chance of getting to look inside. Meh. I'll take a walk down there if there's any buses nearly here, or if there's any good ones. No, I'll just stay at the bus yard pretty much. Okay, about to arrive in is 36226 W86 HLV. W86 HLV 36226 on. No, not in service. 1 to Exmouth bus yard. Yeah. 3626 WA6HLV. Mentioned someone forgot to close the gate, so yeah. Well, some work convoy happens. And here, huh? We've got sisters, but next to each other. Guys, not great news at all. 47448 WA56FIH. We saw her a while back. She's actually gone up in huge flames. She caught fire this morning, apparently. I've seen photos of her. So literally, all we could see from the rear was this huge ball of flames. All we could see was just like the whole rear of 47448 was in flames. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about that too much. So, just saying. So you just need 2 more E200s. Hey? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we need 2 more E200s, then the 2 silos also need. Right. 36234 spots over there, indicating she'll be on 99 tomorrow. Who's that then? 36229 W868LY. That's who the mystery is today. 36229 W868LY isn't on the map. Found the mystery. It's 36229 W868LY who's stuck in first gear. Hellfire, I think. And I just flash. What? What the? So I remember 4 having problems a while back. I never saw her as I went on the curb and got stuck. Well, believe it or not, I've walked up that massive hill just to see 47093. Yeah, this is happening. 4 bumped up on the curb. I'm going off grip, so I tire squeaked and went before it went go. So she revved and wouldn't go. Then she went and her toe slipped, which meant it squeaked. And then it got going again. Anyway, I see that up close today. 47093. Let's see how a solo coach of this. No idea where 47093 is. Her tracker's frozen. I mean, she's tracking in the same spot all the time. So, I'm guessing she'll come when she comes. Oh, Crow, they're always so sensitive. This is so worth it, though. Oh, listen to this fan. On. What? That's how bad this hill is. I thought the van might just stall. Hopefully, if 47093 does turn breaks down, in front of my eyes, that'll be amazing. Back in a minute when she comes. Or shall I say back in a second when she comes. Come on 47093 WAO40XH. I'm going to do this just for you. I'm just kidding, I won't. I will, but I won't. Oh, what? What the? Literally. Listen to this flash. And maybe a bit of hellfire. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. This is not going to work out well for you. What stupid bus stop that is. Down. That'll be 47093 in a minute. Oh, my God. How was he driving this hill then, mate? Oh. Hellfire! Really, she coped. Holy hellfire indeed. And a flash. Holy. I've got our sister 47092 today. And we've got 47101 WA040SS. So I'm hoping to get the name off for 47092 WA040SG. So that's going to see 47092 WA040SG. Let's see how we do. Oh my God, that hill is... Oh my God. It's hill. Doesn't know it's busting traffic.
Also,
She's not tracking. Oh my God, 36227 W888 W. But it was out of 98A then. If that's 36227, who I saw 98A today. What the? Apparently it was 36234 W11BXZ I saw. Oh my God, there's someone just let me across there. Finally! Holy moly. That sign's in a bit of focus. Apparently that's who I saw. 36234 WA11BXZ. On the 98A2 actually. Alright. I just go. What have we done with George photo? No! Please! No! George goes on every time the car going the way. Can I get a shot of this? Oh yes I can! What could happen for me before? What the? Oh my God, that's actually insane! Hang on, I'm going to link them out here as 47092 WA040SG. She's due any second. Pickup truck over there. Pickup truck here. A van here. A pickup truck there. A bus has just gone down there. A pickup truck has just gone down there. Another bus that'll be coming. Pickup truck there. Oh my God. And another pickup truck. And another pickup truck. How many pickup trucks? Oh my. I don't know, the bus just went down there and there's another bus coming up. What the hell? Of course, as I go round here, I bet you there'll be more. More pickup trucks to see. Meh. Knew it. Pickup truck. Ooh, not a pickup truck, but it's still something nice. Bet you, I see even more. Oh, yep, knew it. What the? 47092 WAO4TXG. Whoa! Do not sound like that at all. Very squeaky. Smells a bit as well. I suppose she hasn't been put on 97 today. No, again, the hill went too early, but... Oh, she's going to blow up in a minute, I think. Nah, she ain't. 47448 Cindy was definitely a lot worse. Last year, at least. It was like it last year, very bad. 47448. Now, then yesterday was the day she decided to give up and blow up. So she says that's good until then. 36229 WA6CHLY. No, see on 99 service to Exmouth Wall Street via Brandon Court. She's not tracking today, so just watch out. Okay, about to pop her face don't any second now will be 36227 W868LW. She won't be coming from there or there, she'll be coming from there. So yeah. That was what pop her head round the corner there, so I'll keep the camera rolling. You really think I'll be making you wait all this time? Meh! Are you serious? Are you seriously 67? Let's run. Bye bye 36227 WA6HLW. Never a good sign this is. Temple traffic lights are going up nearby. Okay, here we have 47101 W804TXS. So it's 98 to Ditton Green. Yeah, 4792 returned while I wasn't here, so yeah. Also those today, so you can tell 47093, 47101 and 47092. Why does that not lingering around? Because you know it's that driver, isn't it? Three 7033, right, 63 RHP, 9880, that's great. Uh-oh. 36227, W660W. Hold the 99 service to Exmouth Wall Street via Brandon Court. Oh, fuck. 37033. Hang on a minute, but you'll make me on 98.8 or 157. Wait a minute, it's that time, isn't it? You got lucky there. That's over. What the quickest responses ever to that. So 36029 just took me by surprise there. I know it's not gonna work, especially now. Well, still 47093 WA04 TXH on the 97.7. Oh god. Whoa. I hope you got Easter sore helper as you gave out then. Smoke. That's the only shift 2004 places solos. At least he's working fine today though. Not bad. There it goes, blurry. It's blurry. It's blurry. It's blurry again. Please work. It's blurry. Perfect. It's 234 WA11 yet said. So the POs always don't do great. We'll be set up for when it parts up though, don't worry guys. Told you. And I'll just lift it up, tighten it. And then just set it up in its position. It will never be a perfect position, I must admit. Never gonna be perfect. But we have one of my best results I can get. Nice. Why are they parking differently? Why are they turning off without parking closer? Unless they just don't have enough, unless they don't need as many buses today. More. For some 101 WAO4TSS 1992, let them